Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is how to generate a quick response code in Excel. Now, without any ado, let me jump to the problem statement. Recently, a friend of mine asked me that he has got a lot of YouTube videos as well as different courses, and he wanted to share them in the form of a QR code with his students and his audience. Now, because the scale was large, so he was having around 100 such links to be generated. It was a hassle to generate it online, etc. So hence he approached me sort of, is there a easy solution to do it using Excel or any other tool? So I told him, yes, you have actually come to the right place, because Excel has an inbuilt functionality using which you can generate it very fast. Now, without any ado, let's see the solution. So the solution is, there is a function called image, image bracket open, and then there is a typical syntax that we'll talk about in some time. This image function directly generates the QR code of any link that you have in your Excel sheet. Now let me explain the parts of the syntax. Basically there are multi parts, but in order to generate a simple QR code, you just need to remember two things. One is there has to be a API, which is the QR code API. Generic API is there that I will give you the link, and then you paste it or concatenate it with the link for which you want to generate the QR code. So for example, let me just show you here. I type in image bracket open, then I type in the generic API code. This is the generic API code. This code is generic and it always works. So you just need to copy and paste it within inverted commas. Then you need to press and will concatenate it with the YouTube video link or whichever link you want to generate, bracket close, and that's it. It will generate the QR code. Now the best part is this QR code sits inside the cell, which means if I reduce the size of the cell, my QR code size also reduces, which is fantastic because you don't have to adjust the image again and again. And with just a click, you drag and drop and all your QR codes are generated. Let me know in the comment section if you found it useful, and do you know any other methods in which QR code can be generated? Do share it with someone who may need it. Thank you so much for watching.